Educational Achievement Authority. This is something that's really new that I don't hear happening in other parts of the country. The thing I loved about it was not funding the individuals, but funding the organizations that are going to create the jobs. And then he was saying they even like call them in the morning to make sure they wake up to go to work. I mean, they're really hands-on with these people.
Yeah, well, I add one thing to that. We do learn a lot. So one of the greatest barriers we learned about that I don't think we appreciated before, because we were having trouble actually getting people in the program. And so we really did work with a lot of people we were talking to. What's the barrier? And it was transportation. It was actually how to get to the training site or how to get to work. So now I view that as...
Because you want to such a great mass transit, sorry.
Yeah, there's another topic. Yes, so that's something else we can
What's
work on.
supposed to be funny, sorry.
Yeah. In this community, that's a major problem. So we're working on solving that now in terms of how do we get people to the work site.
Fantastic. Talk a little bit about your trip to China. I mean, I just came back from China. They get tech over there. They also get development. Now, and you have the world's probably the best airport in the United States here in Detroit. Very hugely connected to Asia and China. Can the Chinese specifically help Detroit?
Well, they can do a lot.
What do you think they might be able to do?
Well, I think there's a huge investment opportunity in terms of large-scale investment. One of the other things I'm working on that I'd really like to solve, I had a session here a while ago on that, is immigration. In terms of finding more ways to get more immigration to the United States, in terms of keeping a lot of these bright engineers that are going to, like U of M, MSU, this place, Wayne State, turns out some great engineers. How do we keep them here? And have them do startup companies, because they're job generators. It's a misunderstanding to think that they take jobs, they add jobs. So if you look at that both from a people point and a dollar investment point, there's a huge opportunity for the Chinese to look to Michigan. And in fact, that was part of my pitch to them regarding Detroit. Detroit is the value place in the United States, in Michigan, and potentially the world in terms of a great value opportunity to say, come and invest now because there's going to be great upside.
Yeah, really. That's a beautiful argument, and I think they're going to get it because they've done things like this in a lot of their own cities.